Eating healthy doesn't have to break the bank. Many people believe that a nutritious diet is too expensive, but with a little planning and smart choices, you can eat well without spending a fortune. In this article, we'll guide you through practical tips, affordable food options, and a one-week meal plan to help you eat healthy on a low budget. Why eating healthy on a budget is important. Maintaining a nutritious diet is essential for overall well-being. It reduces the risk of chronic diseases, improves mental health, and boosts energy levels. However, rising food costs can make it challenging to prioritize healthy eating. By learning how to stretch your budget while making nutritious choices, you can enjoy all the benefits of a healthy lifestyle without financial stress. 7-day budget-friendly, healthy meal plan. This one-week meal plan includes simple, nutritious, and affordable meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's designed for minimal waste and maximum flavor. Day 1. Breakfast. Overnight oats with bananas and a drizzle of honey. Ingredients: rolled oats, milk, or plant-based alternative, banana, honey. Lunch. Lentil soup with whole grain bread. Ingredients: lentils, carrots, onions, garlic, vegetable broth, whole grain bread. Dinner. Stir-fried rice with mixed vegetables and scrambled eggs. Ingredients: brown rice, frozen vegetables, eggs, soy sauce. Day 2. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with whole grain toast and a side of fruit. Ingredients: eggs, whole grain bread, apple slices. Lunch. Chickpea salad with lemon and olive oil. Ingredients: canned chickpeas, cucumber, tomatoes, lemon, olive oil. Dinner. Baked chicken thighs with roasted sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli. Ingredients: chicken thighs, sweet potatoes, broccoli, olive oil, spices. Day 3. Breakfast. Smoothie with frozen berries, yogurt, and oats. Ingredients: frozen mixed berries, plain yogurt, oats, water, or milk. Lunch. Tuna salad wrap with lettuce and shredded carrots. Ingredients: canned tuna, lettuce, carrot, whole grain tortilla, mayo, or Greek yogurt. Dinner. Spaghetti with marinara sauce and a side salad. Ingredients: whole wheat pasta, canned tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, mixed greens. Day 4. Breakfast. Peanut butter and banana sandwich on whole grain bread. Ingredients: peanut butter, banana, whole grain bread. Lunch. Leftover lentil soup with a side of crackers. Ingredients: lentil soup from day 1 whole grain crackers. Dinner. Vegetable stir-fry with tofu over quinoa. Ingredients: tofu, frozen vegetables, soy sauce, quinoa. Day 5 breakfast. Yogurt parfait with granola and fruit. Ingredients: plain yogurt, granola, fresh or frozen fruit. Lunch. Roasted vegetable and hummus wrap. Ingredients: whole grain tortilla, hummus, roasted zucchini, peppers, onions. Dinner. Baked salmon or canned sardines with brown rice and steamed green beans. Ingredients: salmon or sardines, brown rice, green beans, lemon. Day 6 breakfast. Oatmeal with cinnamon, raisins, and a dollop of peanut butter. Ingredients: oats, water or milk, cinnamon, raisins, peanut butter. Lunch. Chicken and vegetable soup with whole grain crackers. Ingredients: leftover chicken, carrots, celery, onions, broth, crackers. Dinner. Stuffed bell peppers with quinoa and black beans. Ingredients: bell peppers, quinoa, black beans, canned tomatoes, spices. Day 7. Breakfast. Smoothie bowl with frozen fruit, oats, and a sprinkle of nuts. Ingredients: frozen fruit, oats, milk or water, nuts or seeds. Lunch. Leftover stuffed bell peppers. Ingredients: bell peppers, quinoa, black beans from day 6. Dinner. Vegetable curry with brown rice. Ingredients: mixed vegetables, canned coconut milk, curry powder, brown rice. Final tips to maximize your budget: stick to your shopping list. Avoid temptation by only buying what you planned for. Use leftovers wisely. Repurpose leftovers into new meals to save time and money. Meal prep. Spend 1 day a week preparing meals to reduce daily cooking time and cut down on waste. Stay flexible. Take advantage of sales or discounts to adjust your meal plan as needed. Conclusion: eating healthy on a low budget is not only possible, but also sustainable with the right strategies. By planning meals, shopping smartly, and focusing on affordable, nutrient-dense ingredients, you can enjoy a nutritious diet that supports your health goals without financial strain. Use this guide and the 7-day meal plan to start your journey toward healthier, budget-friendly eating today.